Welcome to Jhigz High Five. Today we're counting down the top 5 wild dogs, from long-legged hunters to unstoppable pack predators. At number 5, the maned wolf. South America's fox on stilts stalks the grasslands on long legs. Unlike most wild dogs, it hunts alone, and even loves fruit like the libera berry. Number 4, the bush dog. Short, stocky, and rare. These South American hunters rely on teamwork and are excellent swimmers. At 3, the Dhole, Asia's wild dog. Famous for stamina and group strategy, dholes chase prey while chattering with unique calls. Runner-up, the African wild dog. With its patchy coat and huge ears, this endangered predator is Africa's most successful pack hunter. And at number 1, the gray wolf. The most iconic wild dog, with intelligence, teamwork, and social bonds that make their packs legendary. That's today's countdown on Jhigz High Five. Which wild dog impressed you most? Comment below, hit like, and subscribe for more top 5.